In this video, we're going to demonstrate how AutoTextMe can integrate with your Omnique calendar. First, you need to go to your admin menu, and then go to Integration Setup. The toggle you need to select is the Appointment Sync toggle. Make sure that says yes. Now you'll simply make an appointment in your Omnique calendar. Select the time, the type of appointment, hit create, and now add your customer and vehicle. Once we've completed, we can go back to AutoTextMe in our active customer page, and we should see our client on the dashboard. Click on the Future Scheduled Appointments tab, and you'll see you have your customer and vehicle, and the time and day that you selected in the Omnique calendar. The client will have received the appointment scheduling text confirming their appointment, and of course they will receive the automatic 24-hour reminder the day before. On the day of the appointment, all you need to do is create the ticket, give the vehicle a status, and you'll see that the vehicle is now checked in AutoTextMe.